Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am giving Pastel Eyeshadow another chance. If you did not see the first time, it was me trying the Violet Voss. I don't know, they came out with some type of pastel palette last year? No, maybe a year and a half ago, somewhere around there. But I got this in the mail from Colourpop. It's part of the like Dreamer collection. What do you call it? Cloud Dye Palette Vaults. And they also, no, this is not it, but they also did send some pastel eyeliners. So I'm gonna try it again today, see if we get a better turnout. So if you guys want to see how that goes, then just stay tuned. So this is the vault. There's an orange, a purple, and a green. It's kind of washing it out there, but let's see what they each look like. So this is the orange, Miss Bliss, and it looks like that. The purple one is called In a Trance, and it looks like this. And then the green one is called Aura and Out, and that looks like this. I feel like my best bet will probably be using the purple one. I know my favorite color is green, but I mean, like, look at the green. So like I said, I'm gonna play it safe and use the purple one, which I'm not even sure if I'm that safe, but I'm gonna just jump into it and use this purple shade called Up Level, pink shade, this shade right here called Up Level. Okay, let's see what she's giving us. Let's move on to the next shade, which is the one right next to it called Own Your Power. It's a purple, well, yeah, it's another purple shade, okay. And I'm gonna put that right in my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here called Clarity, which will probably be a duochrome. Yeah, it's probably duochrome. And I'm gonna, yeah, it's a duochrome, but a pretty one though. This is one of those you're gonna have to dig your finger into it, which my nails aren't really helping right now. But that's how you're gonna get the best use out of it. And then the pink shimmer right next to it. So I was gonna add purple to the ends, but then I was like, you know what? Let me try that whole halo eye thing last minute, like just to finish this off here. The colors give a hint of the color that they're supposed to be, but I think you can see that they all just kind of start to slowly morph into gray. So I'm gonna retry one eye with a white base. This is just, you know, regular concealer. I'm gonna retry one eye with a white base and see what happens. One thing about this channel is that we are going to continue to try until we get something that's at least decent to look at. I added the pressed glitter that was in the middle of the palette to the inner parts of my eyes, and you know, I feel like that finished off what look voice is leaving, what look we've been able to come up with. But yeah, that is the side-by-side what it looks like with just concealer, and then what it looks like with a white base underneath. Of course, it looks better with the white base. The colors actually show like what is going on over here. Like where'd the pink go? I feel like it's a pink brown now at this point, and the rest of it is just a blur of some type of purple, blue, I guess. You can see more of the colors on this side, but this side also gives it more of like a milky type of undertone. I did use straight up white underneath, whereas this side would be like the more realistic of how the colors are supposed to look when they're, you know, like, you guys see what I'm saying? So I would like the color of this side of my eye, but with the actual type of pigmentation or definition that this side of my eye has. But I guess, you know, we can't have everything that we want. My thoughts on the palette, you know, I feel like if I have to go the extra mile for something, what is the point? I'm pretty sure at this point, like, we're all at places in our collections where it's like you've got things where you use it every day or you use it more frequently and it just does it for you. You don't have to go the extra mile, you don't have to do anything extra. So then when you come across something that makes you have to do that, you're just like, what is the point? Why is that? I guess I'll keep testing out Pastel Eyeshadow. I would say this was definitely better than the last one that I tried, but really Colourpop eyeshadow palettes in general never really do it for me. I prefer their Super Shock shadows, or pots, whatever you want to call those, Super Shocks. But their eyeshadow palettes just never really hit the mark for me. I don't know, they just don't ever really do anything. So I'm really not surprised. But again, you know, better than the last time, I can say that about it. And I actually really like the I usually don't like pressed glitter, but I like it in this look. If I do use the palette again, it'll only be for that one shade, the pressed glitter. That is it for this video. Although I did say that you shouldn't have to do that and brands just be better with the products that they put out, I'm also letting it be known that that is an option. If, you know, you buy this palette or a pastel palette and you feel like you're getting more of this side of your face, that is an option that you can do to get the color to work better on your skin tone. Also, just in general, if you ever feel like you are using some type of eyeshadow color and it's giving you this, you can use a white base or, you know, like a colored base to get a better payoff on your, when you put it on your actual eye. So, you know, it's a review and a tip just in case you don't know that at this point. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my second attempt at pastel eyeshadow. Let me know any eyeshadow palettes you guys think I should try out. I know Huda has pastel. I don't know anyone else because I really do shy away from pastel eyeshadow. I just realized pastel works on my nails. It doesn't really work on my eyes so much. But next week I'll probably be changing to the nude nail set that you guys saw me get from Taylor Tips, because next week, if everything works out, fingers crossed, should be foundation hunt week. So I'm excited about that. That's a completely different thing. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope this video helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.